Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Is that what I do?
Le dije hola, te vi caminando en lo oscuro sola. En este juego tú tienes la ola. Quiero comerte completita toda. Quiero comerte completita.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be doing this very glam, vampy fall look for you guys. Fall is here, baby. Well, according to the calendar, because here in Florida it's not here yet. It is like 1,000 degrees outside, so it definitely does not feel like fall, but you know, I'm already in the spirit because this is my favorite time of year. Halloween, where you can go to Screamageddon, Hallow Scream, all the good stuff, and then my birthday, and then Thanksgiving, and then during my birthday and Thanksgiving is Thanksgiving break. Oh my gosh, like this is my favorite time of the year, the end of the year, because it starts getting cold here. Even the slightest bit for us Floridians, 60 degrees is like we're gonna die cold. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so you guys know the first step I do is do my brows, and I do them off camera because, you know, your girl can't do them on camera because I mess up and it takes forever. So yeah, but one day I'll hit y'all with that. You guys know I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. I conceal the bottom with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and on the top I use my Fit Me foundation, like always. So now I'm gonna put some moisturizer on, same one, the Olay Complete, especially during the fall when it starts getting colder. Even though here it's 1,000 degrees outside, you don't want to be crusty. Next thing I'm gonna use is my empty, basically, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Like always for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in 120 Classic Ivory. Now that I have this on, I'm gonna put some Age Rewind concealer in light. You guys know I always use my loose Fit Me powder, but I've been starting to use the actual pressed one, and I really like it, so I'm gonna use this one today. It's the exact same shade as my foundation, 120. So I put it on with a flat top brush like this, and it's a BH Cosmetic 135. Now that we got that, I'm gonna start on my eyes. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the same concealer, the Age Rewind. So I'm gonna blend it out with my BH Cosmetics 139 brush. I'm just gonna set it with some more powder for right now. Okay, now starting off with eyeshadow, since I already primed my eyelids with the concealer and put powder to set the concealer, The first color I'm going to use as my transition color is Cut Crease in the 39A palette by Morphe. This color right here. It's kind of like a burnt orange brownish color. That's going to be my transition color. The next color I'm going to take for like deeper into my crease is Red Ochre in my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take that on one of my NYX brushes. Now I'm going to take the Morphe brush M441 that I used for my transition color, and I'm just going to blend it together. With another brush, Tarte and Twine blending eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna take Passion from my 39A by Morphe, this one right here, this dark red wine color right here, and I'm gonna put that further into my crease to add definition. Again, with my Morphe brush, I'm gonna blend it all together. To blend the edges out even more, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in my Modern Renaissance palette and blend the edges out. Okay, so with my Morphe M432, I'm gonna take Primavera from my Modern Renaissance palette, and this is gonna be the shimmery color on my lid. So as you can see, I kind of like used my brush to kind of cut the crease, but not with concealer, just the eyeshadow. Then back with my Tarte and Twine brush, I'm gonna take more of Passion and Forever and kind of mix them together for my 39A palette, these two colors, and blend the like where the shimmer stops, you know. Okay, so I thought my eye was missing something, so I decided to use Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow and Kitten Karma because I thought it needed some glitter. So I put it on top of the eyeshadow, and yeah, I forgot to record that part. So I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back to show y'all. So as you can see, I finished both the top lids, and now I just gotta do the bottom, the lower lash line. So for that, I'm gonna use my Tarte and Twine brush again and use the color Passion. This one right here. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil. Okay, so I put did the eyeliner on my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I finished putting mascara on, and I don't have any lashes, sadly, because this look would look 10,000 times better with lashes. So if you have lashes, girl, put them on. But sadly, I don't have any right now. I'm gonna put on some bronzer, especially in the fall and when it starts to get colder. You get lighter, you get whiter because the sun isn't like tanning you because you're not at the beach all the time. So you want to put on some bronzer. You don't want to look like an egg. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and another Tartan and Twine contour brush. This kind of looks not blended at all, so I'm gonna take a big fluffy tartan twine brush. Like I always do, I don't have water with me right now, but I'm gonna use my setting spray and I'm gonna wet this and then tap it all over my face so the powders melt in together and don't look so powdery. For highlighter today, I'm gonna use my new Morphe highlighter. I'm gonna use a BH Cosmetics in 134 to highlight my face. As you guys know, again, I wet it and then pounce it all over my face. So, and then I put highlighter again, so it looks even more poppin'. For lipstick, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star in Unicorn Blood as lipstick. Okay guys, that's the makeup look. I put my lipstick on and everything. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look because I really like it. I will be wearing this look throughout the whole fall. I will be making more fall looks, so don't worry if you don't like this like red vampy, you know, fall look. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment what you guys want to see in the future.